Congratulations everybody. To get a degree at any time is a major achievement. To get a degree this year in these circumstances is just absolutely fantastic. As a faculty, we've been bowled over by the quality of your work, your professionalism and your resilience. We have so much to be proud of. You have so much to be proud of. Congratulations. Enjoy your celebration. You deserve it.
I'm really delighted to have this chance to wish you the very best for your future and to congratulate you on completing your studies. You really are a quite remarkable group of individuals. You have talent, you certainly have resilience, and you have the experience of studying whilst we're in a national lockdown and a global pandemic. I know that that will stand you in really good stead as you go forward. So my very sincere congratulations. And do remember that you're always part of the USW family.
Congratulations to the class of 2020, especially USW Fashion Promotion.
Hi class of 2020, USW Advertising Design. Congratulations on what you've achieved in the last 3 years. You've been a fantastic cohort to work with.
Big congratulations to my third year music business students. We'll always recognise the class of 2020 as a special group of students who faced a great challenge in their final year.
Congratulations guys. I know the last few months have been really challenging. We're really impressed with how you rose to the challenge.
To my wonderful interior design students, I'm so very proud of you. Congratulations.
Well done with everything that you've achieved this year. You've shown fantastic resilience and I wish you all the best with everything that the future holds for you.
And you've done an incredible job keeping going under the difficult times we've all been through, so well done for that.
I know the rest of the team supports me when I say that we're incredibly proud of you.
Congratulations to our BA, Media, Culture and Journalism students. Good luck for the future and do make sure that you put those creative, critical thinking skills to good use.
Congratulations everyone. Really proud of the students and the work that's been achieved this year. Well done.
All of the students from BA Photojournalism 2020, a huge well done. I'm just so proud. I absolutely know for sure that you guys will go on to do amazing things and I can't wait to see what you do in your future studies and in your future careers.
Congratulations to our computer games design students. It's been a real pleasure getting to know you all. You've done an amazing job.
On behalf of the whole journalism team, I'd like to say huge congratulations to you all.
Good luck guys. It's been a fantastic 3 years and wishing you every bit of success in your careers.
It's been a pleasure and a privilege working with you guys.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. Just wanted to say I'm incredibly proud of all you've achieved.
Our 2020 media production graduates. It has been a pleasure to work with all of you.
Congratulations to all of our graduates. We really look forward to a time when we can celebrate with you all in person.
These have been unprecedented times, but you should feel proud of your achievements. And whatever your plans are next, I'd like to wish you all good luck and continuing success for the future.
Congratulations to all the USW students. Hope you have a fantastic day. Well done for your amazing efforts.
You've all done amazing. We're all so proud of you and I can't wait to celebrate with you properly when all of this is over.
Well done on your achievements. You have worked hard to earn your degrees and you should be very proud of that.
What a brilliant job you have all done. I hope you all feel incredibly proud of yourselves and that you have a wonderful, if virtual day.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr iawn I chi gyd. Congratulations to you all. Probably more so this year that you should take a moment to reflect and appreciate and congratulate yourself on what you have been able to achieve during this difficult time in particular.
You are stepping out into a very strange post-pandemic world, but rest assured that that world needs your skills more than ever.
What you've achieved at this university is a passport to your future. All the best and good luck.
If anybody says you can't do something in the future, make sure you prove them wrong and you do it in an appropriate manner and you throw everything you can into the challenges that lie ahead.
Dechrau bywyd ydi hwn, felly cerwch allan, concrwch y byd a mwynhewch pob cam o'r ffordd.
Now each of our paths will be different and we will inevitably lose our way from time to time for one reason or another, but never give up. You've proved to yourselves what you can achieve. Now build upon it, build upon yourselves, and no mountain will be too high.
I'd just like to say what a pleasure it's been working with you guys over the 3 years. Mums and dads out there, you've done a fantastic job with these kids. A really nice bunch of people, pleasure working with you. Best of luck in your future careers.
You're all wonderful, fantastic, clever creatives.
It has been a pleasure and an honour to meet you, get to know you and work with you.
Congratulations in graduating this year. Please keep in touch.
all the best.
I wish you success, prosperity, good health, most of all happiness.
Congratulations and best of luck, guys.
Well done.
Really, really, really well done, guys. Hats off, in fact.
Well done, everyone. Great to see all the work. Keep in touch.
I've got one last thing to say. Grow, prosper, and bloom.
Keep in touch. Keep collaborating.
So well done. Keep safe. Keep well.
I'd also like to say that you're never not a part of the USW family, and we'd like you to stay in touch, and I really look forward to seeing how you change the world.